So you just woke up and you're looking for something to revive your curls, you don't know what to do. This is the place for you, sis. Hi Gorgies, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your cousin, your grandma, your grandpa. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am coming to you guys in the name of hair, because after the 10-minute challenge that I did with Katli on Instagram Live a few days ago, everyone was asking how I revive my curls. So I figured that today I'd come onto the channel and actually take you guys through how I revive my curls. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video and comment down below. To my OGs, thank you so much for your support. The channel is growing and I hope everyone is enjoying the content. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. So I slept with my wig on yesterday, and I know usually when I wake up, if I sleep with my wig on, like my curls will not be as popping as they were before I went to bed. So this is basically the routine that I do, or the tricks that I do to revive my curls. So this is what I do to revive my curls, and I hope I'm pretty sure it will work for you guys as well. It's not exactly like rocket science. It's quite simple. Ooh, it's no longer stuck now, but yeah, it's fine. We move. Okay, cool. So as you can see, the curls are not completely defined right now. It's a whole mess, sis. So first thing that I do is I take my spray bottle and I will put in some leave-in conditioner. I use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I take my finger and I just dip into that and I just put it into the plastic bottle. When I'm done with that, I do put in about 2 pumps of my actual conditioner, which is also the Shea Moisture what is it, castor oil, black castor oil conditioner. I do put in 2 pumps of that, and then I put in some water, shake well, and that is ready to go, and that is what I'm going to be putting directly onto my hair. Okay, you guys would have just seen the clip on how to make this concoction, and it's quite easy to make, guys. Like, it really isn't rocket science. And then all I do is I spray this onto my hair until I feel like it is nice and saturated, because just like your natural hair, you also don't want to work on hair that is dry. And then you grab your detangling brush, and I like to start working from the front because I find that my frontal tends to tangle a lot. So I do like starting from the frontal, and I just brush through. I'm making sure the roots are detangled. That's my one problem with my frontals. My roots tend to get tangled a lot. Once I feel like that is okay, then I just move on to the rest of the hair. And then I go ahead and I take my Garnier Fructus Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I've been using this quite a lot in the channel, so you guys should be aware of it. The details will be down below, so don't worry. The serum just really smells nice, and it like gives you a nice shine. I love anything that smells nice on my hair. If someone hugs me, I want them to smell that my hair is fresh, you know. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Studio Curl Power Mousse. You guys would have also seen this a lot on the channel. This will just help to define the curl. If you don't want to define the curl any further, this is perfect the way it is. If you want to take it a notch up, then you want to put in some mousse. Just put that in, and then you can go back in again with your detangling brush. And if you feel like you need some more water and conditioner, you can do that as well. And with curls, the thing is, with my curls specifically, let me just say, what happens is they get wet like this and they get all nice and defined. Then after like an hour or two, it dries up and it starts being nice and poofy, and that is the kind of curl that you guys would have seen on that live video that I did with Katli, and that's what went on there. So they were nice and dry after I did all of this. So this process is really quick and easy. I hope you guys found it quick and easy as well. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other side. As you can see, it's nice and defined. The curls are very bouncy. They're gonna go back to life soon. Yay! You can see happiness all around. Yeah, this is just how simple it is to do it. And now let's get to the other side. And there you have it, guys. This is the final product. So my curls are now popping and I can now go to the lounge. We're in quarantine, so you're not going anywhere, but you can definitely rock these to the lounge or Lost Kitchen, you know, have fun with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment down below, let me know if you have any questions, and also don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.